In this video I want to answer the question why the top sellers on MQL5 keep raising the prices. Let's look at some examples. You see this expert advisor which is at $4.99 and the next price will be $5.99. Going further, the price will increase by $50 every 10 purchases. Final price $19.99. The price will increase by $50 with every 10 purchases. Only 2 copies remain available at $5.99. 93 copies sold, only 7 remaining. Lock in the lowest price before it's gone. And you can see that the price will jump to $999 and other specifications. And examples can continue. The simple reason to increase the price would be the greed, but that's not the case. The logic to increase the price for the sold expert advisors is the simple fact that the sellers must make the most money possible before the expert advisors blow some accounts. Nothing more, nothing less.